Hey guys, it's Tony. I just wanted to update you guys a little bit on Doggy. It does seem like we're getting ready for another blast off to the upside. We have been consolidating around this like 9.5, 9.6 level for the last couple of days, and and for the last like what January 2nd, for the last week or so, we have been just around this general area. I do think that once we cross over that 4 hour MACD, it's game over, and I do think we're gonna go head back to previous, the previous highs for the week, or really for like the year, because the only time that we haven't beaten this was for the 5 year, right? But um, all I'm waiting for is the 4 hour MACD to crush on the bullish side. I need to see how that actually reacts, but yeah, just a quick update. My position right now is still up. I'm still up 45%. I'm up $1,600. Overall, it's like 5% on my portfolio. You guys can do the math yourself, holding 550,000 Doggy. But yeah, as of right now, still bullish, waiting for that 4 hour MACD. Just wanted to update you guys really quickly. I am liking this consolidation on Doggy. I think it's absolutely fantastic, and it shows a lot of strength towards the upside.